Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing great. So guys, today I'm very excited to talk about DeepCloud AI here on my channel. Like always, I'm going to talk about the team, the technology, token metrics, roadmap, and finally my thoughts. And in each category, I would give them a rating. So let's get started. So before I move forward guys, please read the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. ICO's investments are high risky. All of my videos are just my personal opinions. It should not be taken as a financial advice. So let's look at DeepCloud AI. So here is the technology, the idea. So I have given them 4-star 4 rating here. So let's see what is DeepCloud AI and what problems is this solving. So DeepCloud AI is an AI-driven decentralized cloud for IoT and decentralized apps. They are building AI-driven cloud computing platform for running DApps, IoT and Web3 applications. So you might ask that there are already many players in this space like Golem or Sonam or Hypernet. However, if I talk about DeepCloud AI, the AI is the big plus for this project and they are targeting the IoT and DApps segment. That's kind of untapped as of now. Because if I talk about the AI, I think in next 2 to 5 years, most of the devices will have some sort of AI elements within it. You know, if you talk about today's case, you can see small use case in today's smartphones like iPhone has Siri, Samsung has Bixby, and the facial recognition and all that stuff. So this is all because of the machine learning, the AI technology. And I think in future this space is going to be big. So here are the two aspects of the DeepCloud AI. So people like us, sharing our computing resources and developers on the platform using those resources to build apps. So here comes the AI matching engine in between. So based on the need of application and the requirement, it makes the right allocation. And right allocation of resources, it does auto scaling. So AI plays important role in this ecosystem. So here they are providing spot market for computing and storage resources for companies. So company can have the storage, and the individuals like us can share our excess capacity, computing power to Deep AI on decentralized cloud with AI matching engine. Pair these resources for application developers. Apps execute in secure sandbox on the P2P resources. All transactions managed on the blockchain via smart contracts. So they are using the blockchain and this will be done through smart contracts. They are providing AI marketplace. They have application marketplace for developers with pre-validated application to speed up the development. They also have masternode to incentivize the users. We can earn deep tokens by sharing our computing or by holding the deep tokens. So initially they will start with the ERC20 tokens, the Ethereum tokens, and gradually they will transition from ERC20 token to maybe their own blockchain, because there is some scalability issue on Ethereum, as you know. So here's the picture of Deep AI platform. So here is IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service. Here it is computer providers, storage providers, so they will provide the storage capacity and the computing, plus they have application marketplace where is application providers, validators, development tools. There will be tools to develop apps, and here is the developer community. All the developers, the IoT developers, the DApp developers, and there will be open source tools. There is a core platform, a blockchain, they have AI engine, they have security, payment, operations. So you can go ahead and read the white paper for deep understanding on their technology. So here is the picture of it and you can read it. here they have the AI matching engine, how this technology works. They have tried to explain, so you can go ahead and read this. So here on the website as well, they have explained how this platform works. So DeepCloud AI is building an AI-driven decentralized cloud computing platform for running DApps and IoT devices, IoT applications. So we'll provide a spot market for computing and storage resources for enterprise level users. So for enterprises, they are providing storage, and the individuals can share their access capacity on the decentralized cloud. And with our AI matching engine, applications will execute in a secure sandbox on the peer-to-peer resources. All transactions are managed on the blockchain via smart contracts. They're also offering a DApps marketplace for developers with pre-validated applications. There will be initially some starter applications for the developers to speed up the development of their end-to-end solutions. So you can go ahead and deep dive the white paper to have better understanding on the project. So they have also mentioned the competitive advantage. So how they are better than the competition. So they have artificial intelligence driven approach. Like I said, in future most of the devices will have some sort of AI elements, and this is very crucial and this is very futuristic, I would say. They are blockchain based, the security from ground up, so security system to address issues around blockchain ecosystem and more. Moving on, guys, I will talk about the team now. So let's move to the team. So let's look at the team and the partnership. So they have pretty strong team. So I was looking at the team profile on the LinkedIn, and I have seen that people having enterprise level execution experience. So they have in fact executed the big projects, and they have the capability to drive this startup, to drive this project, and they have deep understanding of cloud industry and machine learning. So let's look at the team profile. So Max Rai, he is the CEO of DeepCloud AI, and he is having over 10 years experience as CEO in tech industry, managing large teams of enterprise IT networks. He had the opportunity to work with some of the best in this industry. So yeah, he is having enterprise level experience as a CEO, and if I look at his experience, he has worked as senior system engineer, and he was IT director at Hyatt Hotels Corporation. It's big hotel. And I was watching one interview of Max and Geeta on a Blockchain Brad channel. So Geeta Chauhan, basically she is a hardcore technical person, and she is managing all the technical stuff of DeepCloud, and I think Max is looking more towards of business side of DeepCloud. So Geeta has an experience over 25 years, and she has worked at Nokia or Alcatel-Lucent. So these are big companies. So if I look at her profile, so she is having 25 years of expertise in building resilient, anti-fragile, large-scale distributed platforms with 1 billion plus users for startups. So she has executed in the past. If I look at the so she was CTO at Silicon Valley Software Group, and she was also a founder and CTO. So she does have CTO type of experience in the past. So she was founder and CTO of this company, and also she was CTO at Alcatel-Lucent. So this is again big plus for this team. I was also looking at some other members. Joseph, so he is a principal AI cloud architect, and he is having over 13 years of building and developing software for enterprises. So they have strong connections with big companies where they have worked previously, and I will not surprise, going forward they will have some sort of tie-ups with enterprises. So here he has worked at HP. HP is again a big company. I think it's a blue chip company, and he has worked as senior cloud architect. He's also worked with VMware. Again, VMware is big in virtualization technology. So he has worked as senior solution architect there for 3 years. So yes, so they have understanding of the cloud, so they understand in and out about the cloud industry and the artificial intelligence. So they have also, I've heard that they have like 22 full-time engineers working currently, and like I said, people from HP, VMware are there in this team. And if I talk about the partners, so they have recently announced the strategic partnership with Nebulous. Again, Nebulous is a big project, it's a blockchain project, and it is currently ranked at 51, having 255 million of market cap. So not only the partnership with Nebulous, the CEO of Nebulous is also an advisor of DeepCloud AI, and he's working closely with the team. Moving on to the roadmap side. So in this section, I have given them 4 rating as they have pretty strong team and I think they are capable of executing. And in idea technology, I have given them 4 star. So moving on to the roadmap. So here in the roadmap section, I've given them 3.5. So here's the roadmap. In April, they had their white paper published. This organization was founded back in July 2017, and the DeepCloud AI, it was like in November 2017, and in early May they have their platform design and architecture in works, white paper refined based on detailed platform designs, and in May they've started working on MVP design and development started for DeepCloud AI Fabric. So yeah, this is pretty much the roadmap, and they have their MVP coming soon. So I've heard in that interview that they might have their MVP out before the crowd sale. So it's very interesting to see, and I'm eagerly waiting to see the MVP. So the features they have included, they have AI matching engine, they have application marketplace like I've mentioned already, they have 0 transaction fees, micropayments for IoT and D apps, and the low cost. So yeah, this MVP will be released soon. And here if you look at this slide, you can quickly see their roadmap and their plans. So this picture can be found on their Telegram announcement channel as well. So they have in August the first live test on DeepCloud AI Fabric. So they will have their test in coming August, and in Q3 they have platform design in final and teams are assembled for full developments, integration and testing. So yeah, in Q3 they will have their full development going on, and in Q4 they have DeepCloud AI Fabric support for web effectively, and in Q1 they have launch of D apps using AI at the edge platform testing with large scale customers. So in Q1 they will have their full-fledged launch of D apps. So yeah, you can go ahead and have a look on it. Moving on to the token metrics. So again, this is very important for investors like us, who invest in ICOs. So their token symbol is DEEP and their soft cap is 8 million. And if I talk about the hard cap, which is 15 million. So for the project like DeepCloud, I think this this hard cap is very low or reasonable, and for investors like us, it presents, I think, good ROI. They will also have a bonus, so people who are investing in pre-sale are having bonus like 10%, 15%, and the maximum goes up to 25%, and this bonus is locked for 3 months, and one Deep token costs 25 cents, and here is the DeepCloud website. Moving on to the whitelisting and KYC dates. So currently you can go ahead and do the whitelisting on their website. Here is the join the whitelist form. You have to fill in your email address, your name, your country, and how much you're willing to invest in US dollar, and also if you're individual or a company. Here you can put in your Ether address and the Telegram. Yeah, so this is pretty much the form to apply for the whitelist. They also have, I think, pre-sale and private sale going on. Let me quickly check. Yeah, so if you want to get more information about the pre or private sale, please contact Daryl. So he is actually managing the community, and you can email him with a proposal on how you can contribute to the project. So looks like it's going to be the strategic investment. So you can go ahead and check with Daryl for detailed information. Moving on to the hype. So in hype section they have scored just 2.5. So this is the like still in the earliest stage. I don't see a lot of people, talking at this point of time, because, they will have their crowd sale somewhere, late July. So still they have time and they can build the hype going forward. So at this point of time, they have like 8,000 people in their Telegram. And if I talk about some rating, there is Track ICO. They have rated like 3.7. ICO Bench has lower rating. It is 2.3. And this ICO Analytics, I just saw the tweet today, and they have included Deep in top 5. So again, it's positive for them, and looks like the hype is slowly building. Also, I've seen some of the YouTubers, known YouTubers, have covered Deep and started including in their ICO tracking sheet. So Oh Hey Mary has mentioned in one of his live AMA, and also there's a person called Sergio, and he's also included DeepCloud in his ICO sheet. So I'm damn sure that going forward we can see more hype building, and I will not surprise if there will be like 15,000 or 20,000 people in their Telegram. So hype has low score in my slide. Finally, my thoughts. So here is what I think about this project, or whether I will invest or not. So like I have said earlier as well, that Asian ICOs are doing well versus the US or UK or Western ICOs, and this comes from Singapore. So this is pretty much an Asian ICO. Cloud computing expected to grow at more than 6 times the rate of IT spending from 2015 through 2020. It is expected to be $162 billion of market, and this is growing at 19% CAGR as per the Gartner report. So this is again a big space to tap. And also the IoT marketplace, this is also increasing at faster pace, and by 2020 it will be 267 billion. So they are targeting the IoT and D-app space. Also, they have strategic collaboration with Nebulous, and more partner announcement coming soon. So I've heard on the Telegram, I've seen it, they will have more announcement going forward. And they also have low hard cap. So low hard cap for high quality projects means greater ROI for the investor. Let's compare with the Sonam or Golem, the similar projects in this field, and their market cap. So Sonam has 49 million of market cap, and they have their MVP after 1 year of their funding. And very importantly, DeepCloud AI will have their MVP before the crowd sale. So you can see the gap. They have 49 million market cap, and the the DeepCloud is at 15 million market cap. So it certainly has a lot of juice, left for the ICO investors. If you look at the Golem is having 322 million market cap, and it is targeting different marketplace, basically a graphic rendering space, and they have nothing planned for the DApps or for the IoT. So this space is big, guys. Like Gartner has predicted, this is going to be this is growing at CAGR of 19%. So there can be many players in this space, and the high quality names like Golem or Deep, so they can compete and they will have their fair share. So I've also mentioned that projects like Zebi or DeepCloud are really proving that big idea can be executed with small money. Because I have seen a lot of ICOs these days, trying to raise as much money as they can, like 30 million, 40 million. But I truly believe that these quality projects, Zebi or Deep, they are proving, and they are setting examples that we can execute with small money. So my thoughts, I'm going to invest in this ICO. I can see value in it from investment point of view or from technology point of view. So this is it, guys. For now, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, please like, and please share this video. Thank you. Have a good day.